Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for shows on the Caesar Rewards application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the do button down below, which is the third option, and then click on the shows category at the top of the page. After selecting your destination, here you have three options. At the top you can use the search bar. If you have a particular show in mind, you can sort by popularity or name, and you can also apply filters. So here you can find the results, tap on the relevant one that you are interested in, and here you can check out the pictures, the description, and you can also check out the property on the map. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.